Sledge has TOA up. TOA fighting back. Jason Sledge has got no TOA again, fighting his way out.
A battle for the ages, always going for a submission.
Chad almost goading Sledgehammer into quitting.
He's just checking.
Yeah, but Sledgehammer's not like Chad. He's a man.
Well, he is an official of IPW at the moment.
Yeah, but TOA's not giving up. He's continuing to work that neck. But the fist of Sledgehammer. Sledge reverses it. Sledge has him up.
Thunderous.
What's Chad doing now? And again, Jace, they begin to work on each other's chest, back and forth. Everything on the line for the heavyweight championship.
Sledgehammer down. He gets back up and he's knocked over a second time.
Yeah, look at TOA. There's no Sledge fighting back. TOA reverses it. TOA's got him up, Jason.
What a test of strength. Amazing.
The Lionheart seems to be primed and ready. Sledge reverses. Oh my